the Supreme Court issuing an injunction that New York Governor Andrew Cuomo cannot enforce his new occupancy limits on religious institutions in his state. New Justice Amy Coney Barrett casting a deciding vote. Similar decisions before she came to the court in California and Nevada went the other way. Let's get more on that important ruling in New York with NBC's Gabe Gutierrez. Gabe, good to see you again. You were here back in spring when they were setting up field hospitals in Central Park, and now the state is facing a legal hurdle. Tell us about what happened overnight.
Yeah, certainly, Chris. Well, Governor Andrew Cuomo has come under some fire, and there's been some backlash here to the restrictions that are being imposed, not just on businesses and closing schools here in New York City, of course. Well, now we have this injunction overnight from the U.S. Supreme Court in a 5-4 decision, essentially blocking some of the stricter limits on houses of worship, capacity of 10 or 25 people. Now, Chris, we should point out that the immediate impact of this ruling is not much because, as the state had argued, some of these restrictions had already been dialed back and that the houses of worship are allowed to operate at 50% capacity. But what this does highlight, Chris, is this the impact of, as you mentioned, Amy Coney Barrett. She joined her conservative colleagues in this 5-4 opinion. Chief Justice John Roberts actually joined the more liberal justices on the court. And again, the state had argued that this injunction was not necessary because houses of worship, these restrictions were not actually in place because those houses of worship are under less restrictive areas of New York City because of the coronavirus spread. But the court, in its unsigned majority opinion, said that these restrictions would violate religious freedom and that there's no evidence that these churches and synagogues actually contributed to the spread of COVID-19. Now, Chris, so far there has been no reaction this morning from Governor Cuomo's office, but again, a potentially significant ruling here as houses of worship really across the country have said that they should not be singled out as these restrictions go into effect, Chris.
Hey there, I'm Chris Hayes from MSNBC. Thanks for watching MSNBC on YouTube. If you want to keep up to date with the videos we're putting out, you can click subscribe just below me or click over on this list to see lots of other great videos.